Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, Iskata Sendaba. Anyway, in this episode, not even in this episode, on the highlights of the next episode, guys, we see when Umusa introduces Usamke to Umatsele, we find out ukuthi Usamke, guys, is from Mzumbe. Guys, kanti iMzumbe ingakanani? People who know iMzumbe, cela nisitshele ukuthi ingakanani, because at this point I'm asking myself if uMusa has not shelled each and every neighbor close to them. Because in my mind I'm thinking ukuthi iMzumbe incane kabi and everyone knows everyone. That's what I'm thinking in my mind. At this point I'm just like, uzothola ukuthi everyone is Musa. Every 2K or every young child is uMusa's ex, you guys. Maybe even their mothers or his exes from back in the days. I'm just like, this man, I mean, guys, une Peter Meros, hi boy, indawo ziningi kanjena. Why would you go for umuntu wasemzumbe? And uLukuzana Umatsele, obviously, this is a sensitive issue because Utobile is also, it was also a similar situation. He took also Utobile as a wife. And she is from Mzumbe, and she was a neighbor. Umatsele says kahle kahle baba, like baba ke uyabathanda umakhelwane wena. I'm just like, guys, and these Samke. Anyway, I just have a feeling Samke, by the time she met Umusa, she knew who Umusa was. She knew ukuthi, like, I'm sure Mzumbe get uyaziwa Umusa. There's no way she did not know. But another highlight, we see Samke is meeting up with her mother, and she's like, ngitshonela indodana elingana nawe. Well, it seems like her mother. She's like, ngitshonela indodana elingana nawe. And she says in her diary session, Musa and her mother went to the same school together. Oh my gosh, you guys. Listen, I'm just like, Musa, come on, man. Like, that's why I've always said this, and I'm going to say it again. I feel like the only thing emgezayo uMusa manje is because he has money. If he didn't have that money, guys, because when you listen to these stories, I'm just like, Musa, come on. Like, some things, like, really? Like, uzothatha ingane yasemzumbe. Obviously, umawayo, there's chances of which we are mazi, or chances of which you guys even have history or something like that. I'm curious to see what umara samke, how is she gonna take this? But most families, guys, ne? When a man wants to take a woman, when a man that old wants to take a woman, if he's financially fine, the family normally doesn't have a problem with it because they feel like, hey, anyway, she's hit the lotto. If she got a guy her age, there's no way a guy her age is going to be that moneyed like Umusa unless he's coming from generational wealth. So we'll see how does she accept it, but you can see Samke, she's feeling embarrassed nje. Just stop airing that story Umawake. I'm just like, yo, guys. Imagine being Musa's child at this point. Yo, I'd be so embarrassed, guys. Guys. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.